Welcome to the video that answers the question, what is the 8th grade problem solving screener? The 8th grade problem solving screener is a diagnostic assessment that is tied to the previous grade level's prerequisite TEKS. Since this assessment is given to every 7th grade accelerated and 8th grade math student at the beginning of the school year, it tests problem solving with 7th grade concepts and applications, skills that students studying 8th grade math should have mastered. It is important to note that there is no time limit for the problem-solving screener. If a particular student takes much longer than other students, that rate of speed is worth noting, but don't cut a student off if they are still productively engaging with the assessment. On the other hand, don't allow a student to sit frustrated for a lengthy amount of time, unable to answer any items. Use your professional judgment. This paper and pencil assessment may be given to the whole class at the same time. The 8th grade problem-solving screener is approximately 15 questions long. Visuals are used as appropriate in the assessment, which is a mix of multiple choice and griddable items. The entire assessment is linked on the Math Personalized Learning site for you to print, copy, and staple for your classes. Once again, this paper-pencil assessment may be given to the whole class at the same time. A key that denotes which 7th grade math TEKS each question aligns to will be provided on the Math Personalized Learning site. A bare-bones key exists in Google Drive, and a more detailed one is to come. That's why it's not linked yet. There will be an updated key each school year in DNAC.